Hello, my name is Vladimir Garner. I'm Business Development Director with Relevant Industrial's Engineered Solutions Group. And today I'm here to talk to you about Emerson Discrete Automation's Internet of Things, IoT, or edge devices. The first one I want to talk to you about is the CPL410. How this works, or what we have here, is this is a fully contained programmable logic controller that would be connected to distributed I/O. So imagine you took something like the RX3i platform's CPU, power supply, Ethernet interface card, and the Profinet controller and put it all in one box for deterministic control. So you'd have the controller connected to some sort of distributed I/O, like our RSTI EP slice I/O on Profinet. So right here I've got a Profinet scanner with a couple of I/O points, and then we could daisy chain several I/O drops, or we can add in many different I/O slices to create a singular controller with distributed I/O. And what makes this an edge device or an IIoT device is inside this same box, not only do we have the CPU, the PLC engine, or what we call the PackEdge engine from Emerson Discrete Automation to run deterministic control. In here we have 4 separate cores. 2 of those cores are dedicated to deterministic control, and I have 2 cores that are running a Linux, Ubuntu style, open source operating system. So on that operating system, we have the PackEdge software that enables us to run our MobiCon Connects or the our MobiCon Connects platform, or you could run things like Node-RED or Grafana so that you can do deterministic control, take all of that data in a very secure manner and push that data to the cloud. So we have, again, the CPL410 with deterministic control, and then controlling distributed I/O like the RSTI EP slice I/O platform. If you don't need the power that you have within the CPL410, we have a similar device that does not have the PackEdge engine, doesn't have the deterministic PLC control, but it does house our edge platform, our Emerson Discrete Automation's PackEdge software. We can also run our MobiCon Web HMI on this platform, or we can run open source software like Grafana, Node-RED. We have an ability to put Docker containers onto this smaller device. A little bit smaller, a little less beefy, as you can see, doesn't need as much heat dissipation, but it does go in the same, sometimes difficult environments that we have our PLCs in. So this is a class 1 Div 2 device that you can connect up to, let's say, an Emerson controller collecting data over Emerson's TCP/IP driver. We could also run a Modbus driver to collect all kinds of Modbus data. And we've got several other industrial drivers to talk to pretty much any major brand PLC. So it doesn't matter the brand of the controller that you have. If you want to get the data from that controller into the cloud, this is a perfectly designed box that can go in the same class 1 Div 2 environments that your controller lives in, connect to it, absorb the data, poll it, collect that data, and then also push that data to whichever cloud platform that you are on, or to a local server on premise. So that is the IPC2010 and the CPL410, 2 different devices for different environments, but enables you to connect your OT control environment to your IT edge analytics environment from Emerson Discrete Automation. So if you need any help with your data management or figuring out how to collect data from your controllers and get them into the cloud, please get in touch with your Relevant Industrial account manager or get in touch with Relevant Industrial Engineered Solutions Group. We'd be happy to help.